Jalen Woods here at the Style Stalker Fashion Show at a charity event for Sunshine Acres.
And I partner with Style Stalkers and also with Sunshine Acres through Living Word Church to put on a fashion show to raise money for Sunshine Acres and for the foster care system.
We have a lot of people here supporting performers, a lot of athletes, professional athletes. Arizona Cardinals are my team, so it's going to be a great night tonight.
I've been supporting a million organizations for a million years, it seems like, but this one is special.
Organization is just a name sometimes, but what's behind it is the type of what belief that they believe in. In this case, dealing with foster kids is something that I really, really have a heart for.
This is a great event, and what happens at Sunshine Acres, incredible kids.
Just wanted to give back, I just wanted to really be a part of a cause that's, that's really kind of hits close to home because, I didn't have my parents. I wasn't raised by my parents, so I know the struggle, and I know that it takes people to be there, to all hands on, for people just to help you and just to keep you striving, just to be better.
Tonight we're reaching out a hand to help out foster children who have aged out of the system, and everybody needs help. It's hard for them when they have nowhere to sleep, nowhere to live. Sleeping in parks, that's a rough.
The show was great, but the cause is even greater. So we're here to help bring awareness to kids in the foster system. We're here to try to help kids get out of that system. We just passed a bill the other day in the legislature to help do that even quicker now for some families. We try to do everything we can, in the state to do our part, but we love when great people and great events do this to help further bring the awareness out. Yeah.
Thank you, for supporting the Cardinal organization. Thank you for supporting all the kids because there's a lot of children out there that needed our help, and we might as well go at it together.